Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 13 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to find the sound, so let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to this ringtone section, and the very first option is the option we're looking for, obviously, so let's tap on it. And here we've got this pop-out window with all pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of the screen of the list, we've got the Add Ringtone. So after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. If you've got anything, for example, downloaded right here, you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from the pre-installed ringtones, and basically all you have to do is to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, is to tap on it. And of course, we've got the volume turned. Okay. Maybe a little bit too loud. So this is basically how it works. Just tap on it and then you will be able to decide whether you like it or not. And if you like it, if you want to set it, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.